When a new inventory journal is created, the name field is required. The journal names that are selected in this field are created in the journal names form. At least one journal name of each type is required before you can create a journal of that type. Let's switch over to AX and create a new journal name. So, I must go to the Inventory Management module, and then in the Setup area, I'll go down to the Journals folder. For this example, we're going to use the Journal Names Inventory form. On the Journal Names Inventory form, you can see the list of journal names that are created. In my demonstration data, I have one of each type. The important thing to note when creating a new journal name is the journal type. Let's create a new journal type. For my example, I'll create one for damaged inventory. I'll call it Damages. In the journal type field, I'll select that this is a movement journal. You'll notice that there are several different types. We'll discuss each one of these later. Next, I need to select the voucher series. A voucher series has been selected by default. If you want to see what this number is formatted like, you can right-click on the field and then select View Details. This will take you to the Number Sequences form, where you can view the segments and see how the number is formatted. In this particular example, you can see that the number will be formatted as IJV dash followed by 4 numbers. In the Selection By field, you can select how you want the posting to work, if it's going to work for the whole entire posting or each individual entry. You can also select when a new voucher number will be used. You can select to use a new voucher when the date is different on a line of a journal, or if the date or item is different. In the Posting section, you can select how you want the posting to work. You can tell the system to post the entry to the general ledger with details, meaning every single line, or in summary. An option is available to delete lines after posting. This is typically used in large transaction volume environments. For movement journals, an offset account is mandatory. Although you can leave the offset account blank on the journal name, it will be required on the lines of the journal. I'm going to select an account that we'll use for damaged inventory. So for this example, I'll use the Inventory Adjustment account. On the right-hand side, you can decide how you want reservations to work, and you can also select a user group if you only want certain users to use this particular journal. For example, I only want to allow the warehouse managers to use the damaged inventory movement journal. So I could create a new user group and select it from the drop-down box, and then only the warehouse managers that are assigned to that group would be able to use this particular journal name. Some additional settings exist for store inventory, which are specific to using the retail point of sale functionality. Now that we've created a journal name, let's talk about how posting of inventory journals affects the general ledger in our next lesson.